Hello guys, J-Ho here. I finally got my new case, ThermalTake S100TG. Well, I wanted to build a white colored system, and this was one of the cheapest one. Yes, nice dust cover. Actually, I like this better, and the feeling of the switch is pretty good. And has glass panel, which you can take off actually. This case has been in the market for almost 2 years, but it doesn't look old. Pretty nice. It has a lot of holes, which will help with building intake and outtake of airs. And the case is not so big. It only fit to the mini ATX size. And the good thing is you can install 240 meters fan. Also, you can install 280 meters fan, and you can install the big one. I will show you what size of this fan is. There's a huge fan that you can install. And this is where you put the power. I got another power actually. Yeah, pretty solid, and the painting job is pretty good. And same in here, you can put 240 millimeters and also 260 millimeters. You can put 3 fans. Let's take a look on the manuals. So I purchased this in Amazon, and they didn't really have a good manual. So this is something that I want to see. So this is important that it says you can only install the video card that is not longer than 34 centimeters. Okay. And here, these are types of fan that you can install. See, the big one. Okay, the biggest one is 200 millimeter. You can install one, and 120 and 140. And this is radiator. You can install 240 and 260 size radiator. So you cannot install the what is that? The biggest one, 361. It only allows to install the double size radiator, but I think that's something maybe I want to challenge on this case, because we do have space. Okay, and I like this. It has easy access to the side panel. Let me take this thing off. The one challenge I have had with my Omen 25L, which was small and nice case, but the cable management was not easy because they didn't have enough space. But this one we have enough space. The one thing I don't like about this case is it comes with the black cables, and hopefully everything was white, you know. And 2 SSD slots. This slot you can put at the rear side like this. I mean at the side of the PC, but this one you can also install in these areas. So you have a bit of flexibility of customizing your SSD, but I will not do this because it's going to block the inflow of air from the bottom. Yeah. I mean, I think this is cool with this approx $40 worth case. It has his cables in here. So this space is for 5.2 inch hard disk. I believe you can take off the bracket. And this is the front cover. I just took off the front cover. It looks really nice actually, you know. Well, although the manual said I cannot install 3 fan coolers with a 360 millimeter radiator, which is the 3 fan ones, you know. I mean 3 fans with the 3 fans, but I think I'm going to try. The cool thing about this case is if I remove all the brackets, it really look like a skeleton open frame case. Why can I take it off? There must be another screw. Oh yeah, there is one screw, so you need to take this thing off. Let me take this thing off. Isn't it nice? It has another dust cover here. So I think, I mean, ThermalTakes, you know, they make a pretty good case, right? But when I purchased in Amazon, they didn't really explain this, what they have, you know, what they're providing. I didn't even know, you know, it's coming with the the dust covers at the bottom. Anyways, I took off this bracket. Yep, now it really looked like a skeleton open frame case. Looks nice. I don't know what I'm gonna put at the bottom, but I think we have option to, I don't know, like, we can be creative, right? So one of the contents I'm trying to make is, you know, how I can maximize the potential of this case, right? So anyways, when I look at this frame, I think I want to challenge on putting the 3 fans cooling system with the big 360 millimeter radiators. There is a space, so that's another challenge I'm going to do. That's above the offshore specification this ThermalTake was telling us to do. They told us, you know, we can only install 240 millimeters a radiator with the 2 fans supported. I put like this: 1 fan, 2 fan, 3 fan at the front, and put the radiator behind. I think it's going to work. Okay. This is my Omen 25L, which has 240 millimeter fan with a radiator. So I think we do have enough space to put 360 millimeters. The reason that I think the cooling is very important is the people buy when you build a PC, you buy a bigger case because you want to install a bigger, more cooling system, right? So this is side by side comparison with my Omen 25L. The length is identical, but it has more width. So as I said, it's easier to do the cable management. And also Omen 25L, you cannot install the 3 fan video card. You can only install the 2 fan size video card, because I don't know why they put their hard disk bracket at the front. I think the Omen, the HP, they need to rethink about this, the case design. See, I got this one, the 3 fan video card, which I was trying to install in this 25L, but I could not. The hard disk bracket was blocking it. But in here, as the manual said, as long as it's under 34 centimeters, you can still install. Okay. But it's going to be a challenge if I put that 3 fan video card with the 3 fans radiator. I think I have to really be careful, not to come very close between the video card and the cooling radiators. Well, if I say, what I don't like about this case is this the space it has hole. I bought this black power and I wanted the whole things to be white, but that area will show that black color, the power. But that's fine. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna build a PC with this case, and I'm gonna show you how it performs. Okay. So thanks for watching. There are more videos to come. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please to do so. And let's see you guys soon. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.